Okay, guys, I'm just giving you, actually, let me move this up. I'm just giving you an update on my Landa portfolio. Landa allows you to invest in real estate with just as little as $10. If you want to see a more in-depth video, just check the suggested videos. But I'm giving you an update on my Landa portfolio. So, what we're going to do first is we're going to end up checking out my account. So when we go, actually, as you can see, for the amount of properties I have, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 properties, and I'll go over each one in detail, but let's look at the overall portfolio. As you can see, it shows you they updated a little bit because I didn't have this information before. So it shows you the total dividend per, yeah. So it shows you my total dividend that I earned, $3.26. Looks like it shows you for September, October, November, and December. So the amount of shares I have, $148 worth, $148 and 27 cents and $6.42 in cash. So let's actually move this here. Now, if we wanted to see my account value as far as for 7 days, the last 7 days, my account is down 1% or $1.65. Let's look at for the month, it's down 0.71% or $1.10. Up for from 3 months, I'm up 38%, $42.67. It's not bad. It looks like for 6 months, I'm not exactly sure. I don't think that's right. But it seems as though I'm not exactly sure how that got a 518 percent. Not exactly sure how it's reading that. But it says $129 there. I think it might have counted me depositing some money here, because that 518%, that just doesn't sound right. So I'm not exactly sure what happened there. So yeah, it seems as if there is a glitch right here for 6 months in a year. We're probably gonna have to talk to him about that, because this literally says infinity, right? So they press probably definitely a glitch right there. But let's go over each individual property. So this property, this was the type of property. I have one share of those. As far as the dividend payments and stuff, we can actually go through that activity as well. But this property was up 2%. The next one, Wild Road. This property has actually been up a lot, and this is a 4-bedroom. That one's is up 91%. That's extremely high. This one, so most of the properties seems to be doing well. 153 Spring Valley Circle. It's 4-bedroom. And by the way, if you want to see each of them, they shows what the dividend is at the particular share price. That's what I normally. For this one, I normally like high dividend yields, simply because if you want to sell it, you have to sell it in a secondary market. So that means that someone else on the platform will want to buy it. So they just plan on holding the properties indefinitely. So the only way that you can get money is collect dividend or sell in a secondary market, which you would need someone else to buy that particular property. So next up, we have this one. It's a 4-bedroom as well, which is up 6%. Next one, I have one share of this one. This one is looks like a lot of these are just independent or row homes or single-family homes or whatever you want to call it. This one I have 3 shares. Oh, this is a 4-unit one. 4-unit right there. So let's see, condominiums. That one's up. Let me see which one I had. Which one was it? This one? Yeah. So that one's up. I believe. Actually, let me click on So I believe this one, actually let's go back to which, oops. Okay, so I believe I had it on the 3 units while we already went over that one. So I believe, which one was I on? I believe it was this one. Yeah, the 4 units. So that one was 4 units for 3. Oops. And sometimes about this app, I could get a little glitchy. 3, yeah. So that one was up. The 4 units, 1.39%. This one have 4 shares of this one. It's looks like 4 units as well. Let me see. Yeah, this is multi-family one, as you can see there. That one was up 2.13%. Have 1 share of this one. And let's see, of Ashley Way, that's up 56%. And here's another one up Ashley one, just a different address. That one's up 2%. And as you can see, for Ashley Ways again, another one. This is up 80. This is actually up 96%. I think, yeah, 96%. So this is how. So actually, I would say so far that looks like it's doing relatively well. I mean, no particular complaints. There, of course, when we're looking at the account, there has to be a glitch here. Because it says 600, it says 6 months, 518%, and you can see none of these is nowhere near that, so that's definitely a glitch there. Same thing with 1 year. These are like something new that they just recently added, but they definitely need to kind of fix that. And if you want to look at the activities, and we can scroll down all the activities, it shows that I've been collecting dividend. As you can see, it shows you the times I end up buying it. I've been collecting dividends since, I guess we can say, September. $1, 1 cent, 2 cents, 6 cents. As you can see, I've been collecting there since September, October, November, December, January, February. It's like 5 cents, 10 cents, and as you can see, some of them I got for free shares, and the dividends is like 5 cents, 10 cents. But you gotta remember, a lot of these I only have like 1 share, and it's like $8 or $9 a share. But you can see, as far as the dividends for November, we got dividends for December, a few ones for December, 20 cents, 18 cents, 5 cents, 8 cents, 19 cents. The one for that, 153. That one was kind of really nice there. We had a free 4 cent, 6 cents for January. So it looks like the dividends are coming in nicely. 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents, 14 cents, 27 cents, 9 cents. So it looks like the dividend payments are coming in pretty well. Let's look as far as any other type of properties, and let's see what they have. You can search it for all property. They have the urban areas like New York, I'm assuming. Suburbs like suburban, which is like the Georgia area. I believe so right now it looks like they just have New York and mainly Georgia. Let's see, for staff also like safe environments as well. Areas where it's good schools and stuff like that. Just want to make sure I went over everything for, and let's also see what they got for the filter. You can look at available shares, the ones like, and these are the ones. You can also look at the ones where it's just strictly trading for, if you wanted to do that as well. Let's go to make sure I have everything. Yeah, it shows the, yep, so it's 44. It looks like they have all 44 properties now, but that is pretty much it. I just want to give you guys an update on my overall portfolio and what I've earned in my experience so far. So far, the app can be just a little glitchy, and of course, they have to fix that. Definitely 518% or infinity percent. So that's definitely. But these are some new charts and stuff that they end up showing that's a little bit different. So they are trying to make improvements with the app and stuff like that. And I'll end up. I might add a few more dollars. Nothing like major, but I might buy a couple more properties. Might buy some more duplexes or something like that. So far my experience has been okay. I'm still going to watch it carefully. I mean, I might add it's doing okay. So I might, add a few dollars here, a few dollars there, and track it up. And who knows, I might end up getting this one up to $500 as well. We'll see. We'll see. But that concludes this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment below. I didn't have my mic today. I just was just like, I'm just gonna record to get this out the way. But if you like videos regarding finance and investing reviews, alternative investment, me going over investing platforms, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button.